Hello. Well, I love things that come in boxes from Germany. I'm here on a spring day in Spokane and the Pacific Northwest, and I have some boxes from Germany. Specifically, Hepco Becker boxes. One of their new cases. Just a little background. I've been riding with Hepco Becker cases for almost 10 years, I think, on my multi-strada, and I've done close to 80,000 miles, and I've actually ridden so much that I've worn out some of the latches on my cases. And so when they said they were having a testing program, I raised my hand and reached out to Stefan at Hepco Becker, and they sent me some other new boxes to test out, and I will definitely put them through their paces. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I'm sure it's not going to be that spectacular since it's all it is cases probably in here, but I'm very curious about the packing. Alright, I think they're just side cases. I could be wrong. Ooh, nice. Oh, ooh. Very cool. So this is their Xplorer case. I forgot to turn the fan off. There we go. So the fan is off, and I got one of the other cases for comparison. So this is their Xplorer case. And that is nice. Same latches. It's much bigger, I feel like. Nice. I like that it has the seal. It has a much heftier seal than my old case. And here, let me compare them. That's the new case, and this is my old case. So these are a little bit wider, it looks like. And they have the shape slightly different. I'll show you here. Yeah, there you go. So that's the two different cases. Very different animals. This feels, the new one feels and looks a lot like it has a kind of a pelican case influence to it. I know a lot of people like to put pelicans on there. Looks like a riveted top here. And it looks like the top is not detachable. I like the mounting points on the side. I like that it's flat across here. That will be nice for camping bags, because a lot of times stuff has to sit on top of that on these. And yeah, and it looks like it's a little bit taller as well. The mounting brackets are interesting. I think it looks like it's a little bit different. Hopefully, I think it's supposed to fit the same mounting brackets that I have now, so hopefully it'll fit those. But yeah, these look sharp. So yeah, there you have it. Two new side cases for the old multi-strada, and I chose black because I've had silver for a long time, and I thought black would look pretty cool with the black wheels. So now time to test them on the road.